Hey, this is Rob, your eco-friendly neighbor. Hope all is well. Hope life finds you well. Know it's been a while since I posted, but I just wanted to give a few updates on the garden. Kind of just show you where I am with the garden. I got a new project that I want to share with you. So come on, let's take a look at the new project. What I've done, I have extended our wall. So initially I built semi-privacy wall, very basic and plain, but I've added some flower boxes here. And there are probably, this wall been up for at least about a year. And we planted herbs, some salads, various plants, everything, a little bit of everything. And it's right now, we've harvested a lot. But I made a new addition. I wanted to expand the area. So now I added a flower box or planting box we're going to mainly do vegetables. We're trying to increase as many vegetables as possible. And already with this mixture of soil that I've done, what I did, I first added the base of it. I added some leaves, clippings, all kinds of yard clippings. And then I added some peat moss, a layer of peat moss, followed with a layer of potting soil and black cow manure. And now just for it sitting here after a little rain, you can already see mushrooms growing. And so that's a good sign. That's always a good sign when you got good moist soil. It's aerated. Also added some Pure Light, so to add just a little aeration to it. Now we've had, as you can see, look over here, you'll see a butterfly flying around. You see the butterfly? We got quite a few butterflies in the garden. And one thing about butterflies and moths, they will lay eggs for worms. So I'm trying this new strategy to kind of combat. I put some holes in a water container, and I'm doing a test. I want to see how well these do versus the ones that are out. Just try this and see what it looks like, and we'll just kind of keep you posted. Of course, I'm going to fill in the rest of this with vegetables and herbs. Now on the back side of here, let me show you the back side of the wall. There go that little butterfly again. He'll hang around this tree pretty much all day long. It's beautiful. But on the back side, I have a grapevine. Got two different kinds of grapevines growing, and we're just feeding it through. Just feeding it through, letting it climb up the wall. And I may do like a pergola and allow it to kind of grow across the top. But right now, that's my newest project. So let's grow together. Let's continue to grow together and have fun while growing. This is Rob, your eco-friendly neighbor. If you haven't, subscribe and like this page. Be well.